Well lads, me and Jared are at the gap today, and yeah, it's going to be a good day. It's not too wet, it's not raining, good conditions. And yeah, we're going to go and get a few runs in for a half day of uplifts. Dropping in there in stitches. Alright, yeah, I'll stop after the rock garden. Right, me and Jared are doing Matt Black, but we're going to session it for a while, so I'm going to stop after the rock garden. Whoa! I'll see ya. I'll probably meet you at the bottom of Institches anyway. Maybe. Yeah. Right. Just dropping in there to hard shoulder. And Jared's doing Institches. Fuck's sake. I'm dropping into the last section of the blue, but it is super windy, so I don't know if you can hear me, but oh my. Whew. Right, the wind isn't, oh never mind. Yeah, it's last run now to lunch, so I'm heading down, getting Jared and Keane a clip, so whoa. Okay, I'm just going down this red jump line, and it is really windy. Oh, I can't jump it. But yeah, Jared and Keane are gone down to blue, and then we're just gonna lap skills for a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna go down here. But I cannot jump. It's too windy. Taking this really slow. Whoa. Get blown off these jumps. Whoa. Right, we're finished up now, just doing Skills Park laps, and yeah, good day at the Gap. Didn't get much clips over the other side of the mountain because my GoPro was dead by then. Yeah, I had to use Jared's GoPro for half the time, but yeah, good day overall.